Live from the command center of the jwsolarusa. Guys, we're shopping for air conditioning, and with the latest technology, just for portable, it can cover part of the house that the central air is not working. So guys, I'm looking at this Midea window air conditioning with a smartphone and voice control, exclusive U-shaped design. So if you have any windows that lift up, older style or maybe modern, whatever, how you choose to, what kind of windows you choose to have in your house, and I think this is the best fit. And you guys can see is the shape of the window right there. It's a U shape. So the window, when it goes up, it fits right in here, and that gives you the leverage so that you can able to open your window and close it. It's not like you get stuck into the same old technology. So these are 12,000 BTU, can cover up to about 550 square feet. Is a 22 by 25. And so this is gonna be the back unit right here, and this is the front. This is the one that is inside your living room or your room or whatever space you have. And here is the window coming down and coming in between the U groove right here and sitting all the way, seal the gap. So it's like no air coming in. The only thing, your window's supposed to be, I think if you have a 22 by 25, you'll be in good shape. This thing is really it's really cool. You can see it says the world #1 treatment company with Energy Star. That's what you need if you're on solar, and it works with the Google Assistant, works with Alexa. So if you like that kind of gadgets, you like to do stuff, and this is what you got, and this is how it looks like. So these are the units right here, and you see it. I hope you can get it clear. So I need to have it this way. You can see the model number, and Alexa is there. At least you see what I'm talking about, model number. I think you can get it from one of your hardware store, you know, like for us, Menards, Home Depot, or Lowe's. So guys, let's check the specification. If I can bring you closer, you guys can see these are the specifications. Window air conditioner is Midea, it's called. So I don't know if it's a old Midea. It's an old, but it's a Midea. So let's check the specifications here. I'll let you read for yourself. So these are the specs. Rated current is taking 12.17. Rated input watts, see that? So for 115 volt, 60 hertz, 1 horsepower. So I'll bring you on the other side here, show you how the installation is taking place. Lower the noise, lower electric bill. Open window installation. You can see how these get done here. See the window all the way up, and it goes right in here. Just slam it there. That's how it looks like when it's done. And let's check the other stuff here, what you need. Ultra quiet, you have about 42 decibels, so it's not that loud. smart control, voice control with Google Assistant and Alexa, Wi-Fi control from anywhere using an app. So you might probably be at work, you might be somewhere in the world, then you can able to go about it. So let's check about the warranty. It has a warranty and support. So, well guys, this is what I have for you guys, and I just want to show you this is what we looking at. I don't know if we gonna get this, but it's a cool device here, you know, especially you can able to control it anywhere. You be at work, you're on vacation, you have like some plants in the house that probably need some kind of moisture, and you can able to control and the air in the house so that the plants can die, or you can have someone taking care of that when you're on vacation. So it's called window AC reinvented. Alright, that's what I have for you guys today. Like and subscribe. jwsolarusa, live in Minnesota. 12,000 BTU an hour. Bye for now.